Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to split a table in Google Docs using the highlight and move method, which gives you total control over where your data lands. Let's get into it. First, highlight the preferred cells. Instead of using a menu command, we're going to manually select the portion of the table you want to break away. Click and drag your mouse across the rows or cells you want to move to a new location. Make sure you highlight the entire width of the rows you intend to split. You'll know they are selected when they are covered by a blue highlight. If you only select a few cells, you'll only move that specific data rather than the full table structure. Next, copy and paste to split. Deep dive. Now that you've selected your data, you are going to effectively split the table by duplicating it elsewhere and cleaning up the original. With the cells highlighted, press Ctrl-C or Command-C on Mac to copy them. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl-X to cut them if you want to remove them from the first table immediately. Move your cursor to the exact spot in your document where you want the new table to begin. This could be several paragraphs down or even on a completely different page. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V on Mac. Google Docs will instantly generate a brand new table containing only the rows you highlighted. If you used Copy, go back to your original table, highlight those same rows again, right-click, and select Delete Rows. You have now successfully split one large table into two independent ones with a clear gap in between. And that's pretty much it. To split a table in 2026, simply highlight your preferred cells, copy or cut them, and paste them anywhere you'd like in your document. This method is great because it allows you to move specific data quickly while maintaining the original formatting of your rows and columns. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.